We went up to Dharamsala and we were able to prepare for 2 days for this very decisive moment of the interview. Everyone really nervous. And in the moment His Holiness came in the room, it totally changed. We all relaxed because he's such a relaxed, kind, open personality. He smiled at everyone, he touched everyone's hand, greeted everyone. So we really felt at ease. This feeling of kindness and love, being on the eye level. He really, what he's teaching, that we are all the same, he really lives that, and you can really feel it when you're close to him. And then I had to ask him if I'm allowed to put some powder on his face, because of course if you have the strong lamps for filming, people are shining, so it's important. And he made some jokes. He asked me if I also brought some lipstick for him. He's such a wonderful human being. I mean, it was really so beautiful to interact with him. And then when he sat down for the interview, he was so concentrated and so clear and so warm-hearted. I mean, it's really wonderful to meet human beings like that.